Hey everyone! How are you all doing today? Today, I'll show you 50 body parts. English words. Let's enjoy learning together. Take it easy. Head. Head. Eye. Eye. Ear. Ear. Nose. Nose. Mouth. Mouth. Tooth. Tooth. Tongue. Tongue. Neck. Neck. Shoulder. Shoulder. Arm. Arm. Elbow. Elbow. Hand. Hand. Finger. Finger. Chest. Chest. Stomach. Stomach. Back. Back. Waist. Waist. Hip. Hip. Leg. Leg. Knee. Knee. Foot. Foot. Toe. Toe. Heel. Heel. Ankle. Ankle. Calf. Calf. Thigh. Thigh. Butt. Butt. Chin. Chin. Jaw. Jaw. Cheek. Cheek. Brow. Brow. Forehead. Forehead. Throat. Throat. Spine. Spine. Muscle. Muscle. Bone. Bone. Blood. Blood. Vein. Vein. Artery. Artery. Rib. Rib. Abdomen. Abdomen. Heart. Heart. Lungs. Lungs. Liver. Liver. Brain. Brain. Nail. Nail. Skin. Skin. Instep. In step. Fingernail. Fingernail. Internal organs. Internal organs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and use it to review and learn anytime. See you in the next video.